Right, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a super long time, I know, but I've been so busy. But look, I'm back with a video that has been well requested, and it's okra. So here are my ingredients. I've got some smoked catfish, oxtail, beef. You know, I put it in the slow cooker and then I grilled it on the grill just to make it crunchy. I've got some stock for my oxtail and my beef. You know, I seasoned that up with onion, garlic and other bits and bobs. I've got some onions, garlic, I've got my Scotch bonnet, some tomatoes and sweet pepper, obviously Ghana's finest, palm oil and tomato puree. We don't really use the tomato puree, I don't know why I put it there. But the most important ingredient is the crayfish, prawns and of course the okra. So yes guys, I'm there showing off the prawns. Don't know why I'm rearranging things, but yep, that's the okra I use. It's from you can get it from the supermarket here in the UK, Morrison's, Asda. It's much cheaper than buying it fresh guys, because you can freeze it. So please like invest in that. You know, we are in a recession right now, so every little helps. Hey guys, so get your pot, or your favorite pot. I love using the Dutch pot because it's big enough and it's just easy. And I'm gonna pour in, honestly guys, I do eyeball this quite a bit, but I will leave ingredients and, you know, a few instructions in the description bar. But honestly, I don't want to talk too much throughout this video because it really is what it is. So just put a bit of palm oil in there, let it cook, let it sizzle, and then we're gonna add our ingredients. So I do add a tomato base to my okra soup because I just don't like it when it's just okra. I don't know, it's just, I feel like there's just no substance to it, so that's why I do add tomatoes. But you can obviously leave this option out, it is very optional, but it just makes it a bit more thicker, a bit more, you know, I could eat this as rice as well. So I just like the versatility to it, so that's why I add some stew base to it.
The big dot. I'll see the beat die.
So now that I've added all my ingredients and I do the taste test, here I'm gonna learn what it is that's missing in the dish. So I am quite basic with the seasoning because a lot of the flavors does come from the oil and the stock. So I just use some smoked paprika. I do add the rest of my stock. I do add a few Maggie cubes, some onion powder, some garlic powder. I did want it a bit more spicy, so I did add some cayenne pepper as well. And salt, and that's it. Literally, as it's cooking, the seasoning are combining more and more, so the more that I leave it to cook, I taste it again and I see what's missing. Usually it's just salt. So that's it, guys. It's quite basic, but it does taste really good. So there you have it, guys. This is how you make okra stew, okra soup with meat, fish, prawns, everything. And I serve it with semolina. You can have it with pounded jam, anything. But guys, subscribe, like, share and comment. Mwah!